Today we'll be opening another toy, a Rainbocorn, Series 2 Rainbocorn, and it's a sequence surprise. Our mom's friend got this for us as a gift, so now we'll start to open it. Over here it says pull here, and there's a thing that you can pull, so it's easier to open. And at the back it also says, can you find the golden flamingo corn? And the golden flamingo corn looks like this. Let's see if we can try to get it. So, Isabel, which one do you want?
I want, let me see, I want that one, the rainbow hair.
Oh, the purple unicorn. I think maybe you'll get it because look at the horn.
Oh.
Okay, do you want me to help?
Okay.
So she's trying to pull this. It's fine. Ooh, we found a clue. It says, I love mountains. Look, it says hatching hints. I love mountains. Wait, Isabel, what animal likes mountains? I think she'll get the sheep. I think she'll get the sheep because they go on mountains.
But is there any that has a mountain on them?
No, it doesn't. Or I think it'll either be this owl thing or the sheep. I don't know. Okay. There's another layer, but it doesn't have a whole sign. So I think we need a scissor for this.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get the scissors. I'm back with the scissors.
Oh my god, I just noticed something. If you can see, there's blue hair coming out.
I think that's the one that I like.
I don't know, because every single one of them has some blue hair in it. Don't know. Okay.
But the one that I like has more blue hair. I think that's it.
Okay. Oh, it's opened. See, we got a little cut here.
Can I do it?
Done. A giant hole. Ooh. There!
I'm gonna see what it is.
Wait, let's see what it is under this orange. It's purple, I know. Which one is purple? The sheep is purple. I think it's the sheep.
Let me see.
Let's see. Because the sheep is a pizza. It's a purple pizza. So 3, 2, 1. You guys are seeing before us. It's a pizza.
It's a pizza!
Yeah, it's the sheep. I knew it. I knew it was the sheep because it said, I love mountains. And, oh, it's a sheep! Look at it. Look at it.
And then there's some putty.
There's all this stuff too. Oh, look, it comes with stickers. It comes with a mystery accessory, unicorn poop, and this book.
And this, the baby. Let's see what it is. Wait, let me get it out.
It's a mini sheep. It's a it's a baby pencil topper. Look at it. Ooh, let's see which one it is. It's this one right here. No, it has pink glitter. Which one is it? What's this sheep?
Wait.
I think it's. I just noticed. There's wings here.
Oh, but this one also has wings, but it doesn't.
So I saw this on YouTube. So you can put this thing on here, and you know what? You can also clip this. It's a clip. Look. Yeah.
I'm gonna get one.
Take it off.
Okay. I'm gonna put it up.
Okay, so when Isabel's doing that, I can open this mystery accessory.
Hey, I want to open it with you.
Okay.
And I can't even put this on anyway, so let's not put it on yet.
Okay, so we did this before, and I know it's a hairband, but it has a little character on it. Wait, let's see which one we got. We got it's this one.
It's that one.
It's this one. It's in Chinese though. Okay.
Let me
So-
open it.
You can open that. Wait. So she's gonna open it. See which one, what
I
animal
need
it is.
scissors.
Pour it out. Look. Why are you? She's cutting a different. Oh. Cut from the back. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's yellow and pink. And what character?
Oh,
it's a lion.
I have a lion.
Oh my god, this is the line that she has. She has the same exact line.
I'm lucky.
Okay, so we can turn around.
I'm gonna.
I think it is really cute. Like it's so fluffy. It's as fluffy as our dog. And look at its little tooth.
It's my me. My
Look at
two
her
teeth.
Okay, let's see what it looks like. You done?
I don't like.
She doesn't.
I'm not used to it. I'm
Okay,
gonna take it out.
so let's open this rainbow. These stickers are so shiny. Look, this is the one we got. It's in the bottom corner.
But wait, the hair's so messy and it's not the same as the sticker one.
So let's comb it. Oh, I got a panda one, and she got a lion last time, and the panda one had the rainbow hair like that, and it's over there somewhere.
Yeah.
So, oh, it's so cute.
It's so cute.
Look, this is exactly how I styled it with the panda.
No, it's kind of back. Kind of back. Like that.
Let me see. Yeah, it's like this. Oh. Oh well. Okay, now let's open the rainbow pool. Ooh. 1, 2. 3 colors of rainbow poop. Ooh. Because it's rainbow poop. Let's make poops.
Oh yeah.
But did you know that this is so soft?
I'm making
It's like a cloud. You guys have to touch it. Like if you stretch it out,
Wait, they can touch it.
and then you smush it. It's so soft.
I'm gonna let them touch it. Did you guys touch it? Oh, you said yes.
Okay. So now we have to roll. So now I'm gonna roll it out.
Okay, I'm gonna make a yellow.
That doesn't look like a poop.
It's okay.
Like that didn't look like a poop. It's okay. Perfect. That doesn't look like a poop though.
Then do it again.
Okay, I'll redo it. That one's at least closer. How about we put a sticker on each of them?
No. Okay, now let's mix all of them together.
What color do you think it'll be?
I think it'll be brown.
If she thinks it'll be brown, I also think it's gonna be brown.
Wait.
We're doing this for you guys.
Oh my god.
If we just open this ourselves, then oh my god, it's like a cloud. Oh.
Can I mix it?
No. Wait,
No,
let's
no, no,
pull. slow. Let's both. This is not hot. Just randomly. It's like purple. It turns purple. It turns purple.
The red is taking over on
No.
mine.
Seriously, the purple is taking over on mine.
You have more purple.
Now we have to mix ours together.
Wait, can you mix my yellow?
Look, mine is kind of purplish. See? Like this. Right now, our dog is like looking at us like, what are you guys doing?
Look, mine is all red. I don't know why.
Look.
So let's mix ours.
Wait, look, this is Isabel's. It's reddish, and mine is purplish.
Wait. Let's do a dumpling kind of mixing.
Ooh, mine will be the inside of the dumpling.
Mine is gonna be the outside.
I need to roll this.
I need to roll and then smash it.
Oh, perfect. I'm gonna poke a hole through it. It's a donut.
I know how to do the dumpling. Okay.
It's a donut. Okay. Wait. What? Oh, where'd it? Okay. Right in the middle. There.
Put it in the middle. Now I need to pick it up.
Isabel, now there's a hole in the dumpling. It won't cook.
Now I need
It'll explode. That's not a dumpling.
It will be later.
That's not a dumpling.
Okay. It's a dumpling.
Dumplings don't look like that though.
Let's mix it now.
Oh well. I think it'll be red. So this is the one we opened today, and this one is mine, and this one is Isabel's. So the one that we opened today is a pizza. Mine is a bamboo.
And mine is a queen, the star.
A king.
I mean a king.
It's a crown.
We need
Because a lion is the king of the jungle? I don't know. It's the king. Okay. And panda eats bamboo. And this thing, I don't know why it has anything to do with pizza.
I think he likes pizza.
Maybe. It just shows off. And all of them have wings.
And this is the bracelet, and we mixed all of it together.
And it's kind of purplish. Okay, let's stretch it.
Stretch it as long as we can. Go to the living room. Let's stretch it in the living room.
In the living room we go. Come on.
Don't break it. Don't break it.
So right here we have three cute balls. 3 cute balls. And comment down below which one you like the best.
Simmer down there. I don't know where.
Yeah, this sheep thing, this panda thing, and this lion thing. Comment down below.
Simmer down there.
Since we're talking about down there, how about we give you a challenge? The challenge is, let's see if you can subscribe in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, so make sure to like too, or else we won't film any more videos if we don't like. The only reason we film videos is that. So today's video ends here. Bye guys. See you.